Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. As of my last knowledge update in October 2023, I don't have specific information on a tutorial or event titled Bay Area Rust May 2023 by Raph Levien, particularly focused on Xilem vector graphics. However, I can provide a general overview of Rust, vector graphics concepts, and how you might use a Rust library for vector graphics, assuming Xilem is a fictional or hypothetical library inspired by existing graphics libraries in Rust. Overview of Rust. Rust is a systems programming language focused on speed, memory safety, and parallelism. It has a strong emphasis on correctness and productivity, making it a popular choice for both system-level programming and application development. Vector graphics. Vector graphics are images created using geometric shapes such as points, lines, curves, and polygons. Unlike raster graphics, which are made up of pixels, vector graphics are resolution independent and can be scaled without loss of quality. Common applications of vector graphics include logos, illustrations, and icons. Xilem vector graphics. Assuming Xilem is a Rust library for vector graphics, it might provide functionality for creating and manipulating vector shapes, rendering them to a screen or exporting them to various formats, like SVG or PDF. Below is a hypothetical example of how you might use such a library in Rust. Example, using Xilem for vector graphics in Rust. First, ensure you have Rust installed. If you don't have it yet, you can install Rust using rustup, https://rustup.rs. Step 1, create a new Rust project. Step 2, add dependencies. In your cargo.toml, add the fictional Xilem library. Step 3, code example. Here's a simple example demonstrating how to use the Xilem library to create a vector graphic. Step 4, run the program. You can run the program using. This will create an SVG file named output.svg in your project directory, containing a blue rectangle and a red circle. Conclusion. This tutorial provides a basic introduction to using a fictional Rust library for vector graphics. If Raph Levien's talk in May 2023 discussed Xilem or related topics, it would likely have included advanced techniques for rendering, manipulating, and exporting vector graphics, as well as performance optimizations and best practices for using Rust in graphics programming. For the most accurate and up-to-date information, I recommend checking the official Rust community resources, attending local Rust events, or visiting the GitHub repository of any relevant libraries.